Alright, so it is this tutorial we're talking about inline and block elements. Now the h1 tag and the paragraph tag are examples of block elements. So block elements, when you're using a block element, the display is something like this. Let's see. And if you're using an inline element, this is how it should look. Okay, I'm using button because button is an example of an inline element. So button, sign in. Now you can see the sign in buttons are placed side by side, which is the the header and our paragraph tag are placed one after each other in a in a column direction, while the sign-in buttons are placed in a row direction. So the sign-ins are moving in a row in this direction, while the header are moving in a column in this direction. Most time, CSS also displaying like initially a header has 100% width, which means it's as this header now extends in this overall section. So that will be explained better in our CSS part of the tutorial of the bootcamp. Okay, another thing is that in our CSS we'll be able to manipulate this and make this and this and a block. So we can change a block element into an inline element, and you can also change an inline element into a block element. So I'll be dropping the link below in the description for you to go click and get the other. I'll place getting an image that will show you examples of other block and inline elements. Okay, so since we're done with block and inline elements, now we're talking about file paths. Okay, now this file path now helps us arrange our work better. So take for example now, I want all my images in a particular folder and I don't want it scattered everywhere like this. So now I don't want this to scatter everywhere, so I'll just create a new folder. Let's say it needs images. So now we'll take this. Yeah, initially remember when we were trying to get our image, we just said it was something like this. You went like this. You wrote the image directly, like image. Okay, I'm going to get the name of the image. That's initially this is what we did, and now you see that when we save it, reload our page, nothing happens. That's simply because the part in which we specify the image to come from, the folder in which we specify the image to come from, it's not in that folder, it's no longer in that file path. So now we have to specify which file path the image is, and that's when this comes in. Now what specified images now we'll specify the path that comes from, which is slash images, then this. You can see the image just popped up, which did happen initially. So let's go back and refresh. Okay, I need to get and save that. Wow. Okay, let's save that. Okay, I mean anyway, you go dot, then slash, then the image, then the file path where the folder rather, or file path, whatever you call it, then slash, then the image in which you want to get from that folder. So now you can see it's already displayed. So refresh. That's it. Now our image is showing in our web browser. So that's basically that on file path. So up to what next? We'll be heading to now we're talking about a block element we'll be using most times throughout our design, which is the div element. Short, I think short for division. So div. Now a div is an inline element, but div helps us tell us which division of which section are we dividing our website into. Let's take a look at take for YouTube an example. Or no, let's go to let's see. Let's go to a school portal. Okay, network is having an issue. Okay, let's just use it to see some network issues. So this particular part is a header. Now this is the header, this is a video, and this is a paragraph with paragraph, or could be smaller headers, or could just be writings. But then this was put into a different tag. This is put into a different tag, a different tag, a different tag. Now this is overall is put into a different tag called the div. Now the div helps us section our content in our website into different parts. So that's what basically the div does. And example, if I'm doing now I have a division of website. So now in my division it can contain my image, my headers, my paragraph, my links, whatever I want to be in that section of the website. This can contain it. So now that's basically that on div. I'll be using more div when we begin to work with our CSS, our JavaScript, and the rest. So